Alright guys, welcome back again. Currently I'm bullish to these highs, got bullish order flow as well, and bullish respect, and I ideally want to see it on the daily forming here, like a BISI, another one, and then tomorrow we could see it dump into one of these BISIs. But it's simple. If you look at H1, respected this order block, we took London lows as well, we took every session high. The last thing we took was London low, and we took an older like session lows as well, but within this range. So we respected this bullish order block, respected the wick of here. We do have a trend line forming here that I could dump to as well. I'm aware of that, but I want to currently see a move higher because current order flow is bullish, and I do ideally want to see it to these highs up here. We got a trend line forming there as well. And if we go to the 32nd, we got a trend line forming there as well. So I want to see how they react to this BC right now. It's literally, and if we can make another move higher from here, that would be ideal, like a model right here. I'm aware that we have equal lows here as well, but in ES it actually hunted those lows, so it might not come for those lows yet. That's what I'm saying. So there's SIST right here, or sorry, a down close candle right here that I ideally want to see. Although there's no SIBI within it, none of the 1 minute either. 2 minute there is, I think. Yeah, there's one tiny one there on the 2 minute, so maybe there. I don't know, but we'll see what happens here, I guess. Currently, I am looking for a move higher if it's given. We also got this buy side up there as well, which is what I was looking at. So 2 minute, if they invert this SIBI here as well, that would be ideal for an entry. But honestly, I want to see them invert it. Yeah. Got 3 minute SIBI there as well, but it's just the fact that we don't have no 1 minute SIBI here, so I'm not interested in it too much yet. We've made more of this kind of trend line here. I'll just put that as equal highs, I guess. Because then the 15 minute we're selecting that area. Let's see what happens. 15 minute BISI here made as well, and Dow Jones bullish as fuck. So why not A and Q? Why not? Alright, 30-second SIST, 1 minute SIST alignment. 2 minute, 1 minute did close above that. I get an entry right here.
Order filled.
That's SIST, that's why as well. Oh my god, the fucking risk is tiny.
Order filled.
That's good. Keep it at that, because I don't want to go like around 200 yet. Because it did take a loss streak yesterday, so just want to keep it a bit meh. Maybe I will increase to 200. 200 is technically base risk for me. Yeah, I think I'll increase to 200.
Order filled.
Because something I've not been doing a lot lately either is just accepting the risk at 200. That's how it should be. Okay, I think 2 minute they did it invert, well, invert in the 1 minute, but yeah. Okay, I don't know if this will give me that what I want. Bleep. Still got equal highs, yeah, I guess, but there's around these equal highs go break even. Okay, respecting that and 15. Constant encouragement. We got a trend line literally above, man. Made now. And these equal highs. Got this as well, I saw that. Okay, puncture it please. 1 minute looking good, 2 minute looking decent. $210 right now as well. Got a busy made there. Okay, expansion. Nice, bullish order flow. Trend line right here. And right there. Two-minute closure given now, so it's really valid. This is like, I'd say A minus now. Just gotta see if this 3 minute kind of inverts now. Should just see it really expand aggressively now. It's the liquidity has been generated here. And that basically getting hit right there as well, which is an order block. Beautiful. Want to see how it treats this? I'm going to invert it and then just come here, there, boom. Looking pretty bullish the 5 minute as well. 1 minute closed above, inverted. 3 minute SIBI. Nice little line with this one up here, which is what I wanted. Need it to reach these highs. Which probably will, to be honest, with how fucking gay that looks. $2.15. Check what that was about. Quick wick I made. Quickly put a little around here. Okay, nothing much. Okay, let's see those equal highs. Generato. If you didn't know, this is an LR expansion, not like a market structure shift that follows retracement. This is the market structure shift itself. This is like what I like to look for. I need it to puncture those equal highs really hard, go break even. I just did, wow. Okay, SPE for me. Now let's hold this. That to risk reward target. Nasdaq thingy hit. So that's a 3 minute 60 now, Nasdaq. Cool beans. Nickel highs there. So I'm looking at 1 minute. If we can give that third syst here, I'll probably trail. Just hoping I'll get it break even here. That'd be kind of unfortunate. The max I'd see it come. That order block.
Order
Shit.
filled.
Got it break even, whatever. And for some reason that's $10 loss. Oh wow, it's crazy. I don't even know why that is. Alright, that went to 1R anyways. A little bit more than 1R. I still think they'll bring it higher, so let's see if they make a second system maybe. I'll do a review on that one later. Yeah, I have a feeling this thing's just gonna pump now. Bro, why did it just do that? Just hit me break even. Just doing this piece of shit. I think it's just the entry. The entry wasn't good, you know. Be real. Yeah, second systy is in this range. I'll be real in the 1 minute. I could take the optimal trade entry if it gives it. This would be a second systy. That'd be a 1 minute immediate term low. I don't know if it'll give me that though. Oh wow, really? They're just gonna pump now? I swear these markets are so fucking gay. Honestly. This type of shit I have to deal with every time. No worries, I think if it goes up on trade entry I'll take, but I don't think I'll give it because it's just now being bullish, really. Wow, look at that. That hurts, man. At least it shows the model still works. The model's never going to stop working. But, yeah. I'm going to take this option trade entry if it gives it, but I don't think it will. Let's see. Can't believe it fully retraced like that as well. All the way to the... Just missed the discount on it as well. So, let's see if they give this optimal trade entry or not. Probably will at this point, 50% hit. I'm doing 5 because earlier on somehow 8 micros covered that many points. Still have criteria within this trade as well.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, why is this thing so cheap today? Okay, guess there then. Ideally break even here. You got highs above as well. Yeah, definitely there. All of this shit as well, yeah. So yeah, and a check, push. There's not much I can do with OT here, then just wait on our patience till it hits the break-even point. That's how I do it usually. Got this here as well. That's 225. Break even.
Order filled.
Cool. I'll take that. Thank you. I'll take that. Thank you very much. Yeah. The amount of commission this shit takes, really. Equal lows there now. Came that close to take my stop, but I forgot how systematic the third 60 is, eh? Wow. That's quick, that's good, that's good. I'll give you that one, NQ, thank you very much for that. Alright, let's see if it can still grab these highs up here. Where's the other one? There it is. Draw. I want to see what we made in this meantime for doing that. Why is this not working? Oh, sorry. That's 225. How does the pre-judo swing? Okay, that's good. Increase. 15-minute busy made. 15-minute now has second assist there. Trend line, the highs are forming now, I think. Well, not forming, but it would be anyways. Ish. Yeah, it's like there, but I'd prefer a lot more accumulation. We do have equal lows from where we made the third ST. Although I'd prefer waiting for some sell side sweep now because just because of that third ST. Actually, that's all really. If we can get a sell side sweep, then I would pretty much think it in it. Okay, so we just took that trend line now above. I'm looking at another chart, that's why it's thingy. Looking at that chart right there. I want to see that buy I took right there. It was really good. So I caught the initial low of it, and it stopped me at break even. I got on the second system, which is the confirmed entry. Just spammed it, as you can see. But yeah, I would have gone a good one here as well. But it's what it is. Cool. All good and good. Right, I need to see now, follow through on this. See, I'd prefer waiting for some sort of liquidity sweep within the open. It'd probably be this low maybe, and then I want to see if they can hold it, but I don't know, is there anything under that low? Check, must have probably is. So, I want to see, is there any like 5-minute BC or, no, not really. Nah, there's not. See, that's why I'd prefer waiting. So I think it'll probably take this low and those lows as well. I don't want to catch a sell either because there's nothing to sell off from. So I'd prefer just waiting for this, seeing if we can probably retest this BC maybe. Or better yet, give an optimal trade entry. I want to see how it reacts with the optimal trade entry on the second system. Which is right here, if you didn't notice that. Right here, that's what I'm saying. Could probably use like 10-minute chart or some shit on that. Yep, 9 minute. Just because I can't get an accurate kind of read on this, so it'd probably be here, optimal trade entry there. And I want to see how he reacts to it. If we can give a good reaction, then I'll get a buy upwards. And that'd be 30 on the 15-minute, and then yeah. Jeez, look at that craziness, man. Just, that's equity open. Okay. So I hit 50% of that 9-minute range. It's reacting to it really nicely. Jeez. You got equal lows below as well. Let's see what it does. Let me see the open range gap as well. The open range gap is going to be filled. So I'd rather just not mark that out. Just have it plotted there. Right, came close to the optimal trade entry there. Yeah, those highs above are really equal now. No first presented though. So what means fake. Fake. Even if it hits those highs, it's fake. The only time I'd probably actually I wouldn't even show this in the all-time highs either. Why do I keep doing that? I wouldn't even show this in the all-time highs. It's not all-time highs, but it's like you got nothing to show it off, and other than daily highs, I guess. It does give that. So yeah, I want to see if they can bring this lower now. Take out these equal lows. They're an optimal trade entry now, but it's not respecting it. I don't expect it to respect it either. So have equal lows below. Actually, we're kind of respecting it now, but yeah. 15-minute. Yeah, so we are respecting that, although I don't want to take this yet. Yeah, we did just come near those equal lows as well. So yeah, I'm not going to trust this, even though it is optimal trade entry. It's just the fact that the OTE is near equal lows. So I don't like to have a stop at equal lows or anything. Not that I would take this anyway. There's no inversion or anything, really. Yeah, there's no inversion on that, so fuck that. Open range gap, let me see if that's filled now. That is filled, yep. They're likely not going to do no fucking bullshit manipulation or anything. Do you have equal lows below? Let's see if there's a daily high nearby that this could take. And then if it does, okay, daily order block would be the most ideal for cells. Okay, let's see. This can give. I'm not buying this. I have a feeling someone else is buying this though.
It's interesting though. If you're just going on, sure. I mean,
No, he's not. Interesting. No. Yeah, look at those equal lows below, man. Shit. I wouldn't even sell this either because there's nothing to sell it off from. Pretty much. I would, if there was a daily high that it took right now, I would sell that shit. Yeah, I'd look for a sell or some shit. But there's no daily high it took either. It took that daily high earlier already. So like right now, and we're like near a wick and everything. This looks like a good sell though. Like we got trend line here. Look, literally, we got equal lows right there and everything. But what's it selling off from? It can't be from this. You know what I'm saying? So like, I prefer it. There's no model basically. Yeah. And buys look good as well. So fuck that. The bullish order flow is still intact as well. There is. Remove the org because it's no longer necessary. I've got it on my other chart basically. But yeah, it does look like it's going to be making that second cysteine now in a tighter range though, so it's not really ideal. I think it did 50% retracement there. It did, OTE anyways, but yeah. There is, that would be a break-even point for me if I'd enter that. And ideally I want buys below the opening price as well. So yeah. I think right now it's generating equal highs at the same time, forming a rejection block to make lower prices, potentially. Maybe, I don't know, probably wrong. Fuck knows. Go back to 9 here now. Alright, keep going. See that shit? This is a choppy range, I'll tell you that much. With those equal lows down there, I likely want to take. Is this a new H4 range or? No, the same one. Okay. Is it? Yeah, it's a bit. No, the same one. No worries. Oh, I thought that was a new one. No, it's because the size, yeah, okay, no worries. Yeah, I think it's gonna pump now really quick. Or not. Jeez, really teasing it, eh? choppy range, bro. I'm not into that shit. Good day. No first presented either, and it's 238. Come on, man. What's ES up to? ES is fucking bowling higher. Dow Jones made a nice Judah swing, reversing higher now. NQ is just in a chop. Yeah, it looks like it can expand, like I said, now maybe. Oof, there it is. Nicely done. Makes first presented. I might take for a buy towards that high above, but that's if it takes it. Sorry, if it doesn't take it or whatever. See, yeah, first presented might, because there's like a BPR within this first presented as well, with all these wicks and shit. Come on, make that first presented NQ. Don't be a dick. Right, leave those. What's that one? That high is taken now. That's pre-market high that I took. I swear if it doesn't make it... Okay, it did it. It did not make that first presented. Wow. That's dumb. Nah, leave that shit alone, please. And it's still gonna expand higher even though it doesn't make it. Crazy. Maybe it's the BH. Nothing to do with the adjustment contracts. So I'm just not making any first presented. Alright, it's probably gonna rush that higher then. That means on the 15 second there's probably a lot of liquidity there is below. I'll probably only get in sales the reverse of this if it makes a first presented and we invert it with like a similar trade like yesterday pretty much. Yesterday's trade didn't work because it was really bullish. That's the only reason, nothing more, nothing else. If we were bearish, yesterday's trade would have fucking flung lower any day. But you saw the end of the day was really bullish. It was like not one sell. So that's the only reason that didn't work out. So we got lots of equal lows here, but yeah, we just took that high now. So that's the current daily high we took, which is that important? Let's see, which was 6 AM high, which is like pre-London high, I guess. I don't know if to call that London high, but it was where all the liquidity was, I guess. So, yeah. But ideally, daily or all block above looks good for sales, really good. There's a wick as well we might come into right now, which we just did, I think. Yeah, we're just getting that C wick on the daily, I guess. Just kind of hit it right now. Well, I think we hit it earlier. We hit it earlier as well. Yeah, and we just took that high out as well. There's no first presented, so I'm not interested in this. So since that's no first presented, I would expect it really to just dump right now if it was to come lower. No, like no retrace, no wise. Like really hard dump, because it would need to make that first presented. And if not, then it's gonna likely chop or make another big expansion higher, and then I can use the first presented to see if it becomes an inversion. Otherwise, I would prefer it just to dump right now and make that first presented, please. All these wicks, I don't trust this sell either right now. Well, not yet anyways, but okay, let's see if first presented's made here now finally. Shit. and they're not gonna make it, are they? Let's see if they make it. This would be crazy if they finally made it. I think they're gonna make it, yeah, finally. Hopefully, anyways. Above midnight, above equity open as well. Yeah, this shit is dumping, like I said it would. Ooh, 5-minute alignment, really nice. 3-minute alignment, nice. 2-minute made it first presented, I guess you could say, which is also quite nice. Yeah, it's looking like a decent setup. Let me see if there's a trend line in there as well. Trend line somewhat, yep. I think I'm going to wait for the optimal trade entry on this, to be honest, because I want that trend line to align more. Ooh, look at that. Failed to 50% as well, and it's dumping now. Yep, there you go. Oof, that's it, right there. Yep, right there, fam. Yep. Jeez, buyers got wrecked on that one, I tell you that much. Shit. Alright, yeah, cool. I think you and me have an understanding now. Yeah. Trend line is now really aligned nicely. I think 50% retracement here would be ideal. 1 minute here. Let's see if we can get that. This is versus D dissipation. I don't know if actually I probably will because the other one's 10 micros. Because we got this thing literally just came down, touched the trend line, but hasn't taken it yet, and we still have somewhat relatively good lows. First presented still above, so I might want to retest that. I'm good with that. That's fine, no worries. That'd be the last line of defense, but 50% retracement. I want to see this hit ideally. Shit, if I hit it.
Order filled.
Okay, I knew that might not be
Order filled.
deal. Shit.
Order filled.
There was it. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. When it comes to 400, that is. Ideal to go break even. Second is made / back to this BC retest. They'll probably want to retest this though, and that's fine. I'll let it retest that. Cool with me. If it wants to retest that, that is. It doesn't need to. And sometimes when it's like this, it doesn't really retest it, and that's fine. This is also right in the midnight and equity open, makes it quite ideal. I'd say it's like B plus A minus setup. Retesting it now, let's see. Trend line here. DLC just stampede it. Same trade. I just touched that trend line. Still semi there. Any news? 3 p.m. some 10 minutes. Stop's gonna get hit now, isn't it? Or is it? Should dump, sorry not dump, but like take this trend line out, and then I want to see if we can get a follow through from that. But to be honest, since this trade is the way it is, 1R, then no reason it gives it. It's like high resistance. Otherwise we'll call it a day. Because I preferably have the last streak ended, like, so that I'm still green. Ideal to see this D here, actually really ideal, because the 1 minute, beautiful, the 1 minute, really really nice. Just get close right there. Back at entry. Anything else, Inky, you can tell me? That's good news. Got busy right here, I guess. Let's see if we can just run that out. Or not. Guess I wanted to taunt me a bit. Where's that daily C wick I guess we're hitting right now?
Order filled.
Quite a day, it's only 100 on his, no worries. Yeah. Small loss recovery I guess. No worries, but it is what it is. Just PA right now is not the best, so I'll like wait till it is I guess. It's cool with me. Yep. Yeah. Bullshit. Alright, still win on the day. Yep, so I guess till next time and be safe there. I'll do a review on these later I guess, but yeah.